friends, today I am going to show you about energy. To understand about energy, we need a cardboard roll, foam piece, a large nut, rubber band and 2 toothpicks, 5 marbles and 2 lids and 1 PVC strip. First, take a large nut and a rubber band and then tie it. Now take the toothpick and insert it through the rubber band. Now take the lid and insert the toothpick. Now fix the lid to the cardboard roll and do the same thing at the other end.
Let's see how it works. When you push it forward, it will come backward. This is because when you push it forward, the rubber band gets twisted and to free it, the roll comes backwards.
Now this is our second experiment in which we have to insert the foam piece to the PVC strip. Take 3 marbles and keep it at the middle and 1 at the end. Push the marble. You will see the first marble is moving to the other end. This is called momentum. Take 2 marbles and push them. You will see the first and the second marble are moving to the other side.
Energy is an ability to do work, and in physics, energy is a quantitative property that must be transferred to an object in order to perform work.